This repair video for the P0443 error code is specifically tailored for Ford's drivers. If your Ford is showing a P0443 code, this is for you. It means the engine control module has detected a malfunction with the Purge control valve or its control circuit. Under this circumstance, distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty purge control valve, damaged wiring, loose connections, bad gas cap seal, vent valve issues. Here are two simple practical methods to fix the problem. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve before filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running. And place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum stuckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister and purge valve off and replace it with the correct new one. So here are the two most practical methods to fix P0443 error code. This error can occur with any car, but is most often found on the following cars: Ford Mondeo, Ford Focus, Ford Ka, and Peugeot 207, Peugeot 307, Peugeot 308. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.